We're going to work through the connector part of your Automoblox car. So you're going to go ahead and make a new part, create a sketch. You're going to go up from the origin and you're going to draw 1/4 of the part because it's symmetrical, and we can use the mirror tool to help us create this. So we'll go up 0.39. From there we'll go over 1.150 minus 0.3. We will go down 0.22 over 0.04, back up 0.15, and then over again 0.3 minus 0.04. That gives you the basic shape. One thing you're going to want to make sure you do is not go ahead and add the rounds with the fillet tool until you have the object mirrored. This will give you a better chance of creating a closed loop or a shape so it can be extruded. So I went ahead and put some construction lines where I want to mirror at. I'll get the mirror tool, select all of my geometry, select my mirror line, and click apply. You can do the same thing. I'll select all the top half now, the mirror line, and apply. And I have the overall shape that I need. Then I can go ahead and use my fillet tool. The outside fillets are 0.1, so that'll create a round for us. So 0.1, I'll click on those. One thing you'll want to make sure that you don't have a construction line selected anymore. So you don't want those to be construction lines. Click off of that. The next fillet is the 0.05 for the inside. Then the last one is a 0.04 inch fillet for these parts right here. So we'll use that fillet tool to help us create those rounds. Finish the sketch. I should be able to come in here and extrude it now. We'll extrude our object 0.48. Finish it and go ahead and save it as connector inside of your Automoblox folder.